One of you guys actually sent me a birthday gift. But yeah, if you guys did not know, yes, today is my birthday. I am dirty 40, so this is the last time I've ever been in my 30s. So, or I'll ever be in my 30s. The weather's warming up, which means it is time to bring your favorite ride out of hibernation. And what better way to kick off the season than by saving up to 15% off on the top aftermarket accessories for your muscle car, pony car, truck, or SUV. My friends at Just Bolt-Ons and DragRacingWheels.com have you covered. Use my promo code BUTTER at checkout, and if you need some sticky Mickeys, you got till March 31st to save up to $100 on a set of tires. So don't wait. Hit up my friends at Just Bolt-Ons and DragRacingWheels.com, where the best deals online just got even better. What did Butter get for his birthday from one of you guys? I have an idea of what this is. Ah, here we go. Ah, yeah, I like this. Hold on, there we go. I got me a Demon 170 hat. That's freaking awesome, man. I like that. Yeah, I was supposed to go to this event right here. Yeah, Legions of Demons. Oh, cool. Oh, yeah. I don't got to even adjust this bad boy. There we go, right there. Man, shoot. Oh, that's pretty cool. I got a nice little keychain. The fastest Mopar on earth.com. Ah. It's like I got like a little earring. But yeah, this is cool right here. Ah. There you go. I got a cool little keychain with both the 2018 Demon and the Demon 170 logo on there. And then I have the fastest Mopars on earth on the backside. There we go. Pretty cool. That's awesome. I did not fully expect for this to happen, to get a birthday gift while I was already live streaming. Let's see. Oh, cool. I got a shirt.
Uh-huh.
I didn't say anything to you, Siri.
Okay.
Thank you, baby. Oh, man. Legions of Demons, fastest Mopars on earth. Awesome sauce. And I got a large t-shirt so I can wear it. Awesome sauce. Yeah, here we go. So I got this right here. So a buddy of mine went to Legions and stuff. He has one of the fastest super stocks in the world. And so he got me some swag. So I knew this was coming, but he had no idea when my birthday was. So it's pretty crazy that all this stuff came on my birthday. Oh yeah, that's cool. Get that tag out of the way. Carpe Demon, Legion of Demons. Yeah, that's pretty cool. I definitely need to go find where my 2018 Demon is at, right? That match my Demon 170. The fastest Mopar on earth.com. Oh man, I like that. So, my good old buddy Rick. Appreciate that. It's nice having friends. Shoot, you know what? I need to find out where in the world is my Demon 170 at. Why in the world is Burns Motors texting me? Those were the same guys who screwed me over on one of my Demon 170s. Happy birthday. It's a great one. Hope you have a great one. It's Joey from Burns Motors Missions. Or Burns Motors Mission. And reaching you as a new point of contact here to wish you a great day. Yeah, right. You know how much crap I had to go through with Burns Motors? I had to basically go and I basically spec'd out a Demon 170. They lied to my face about how I was going to get the daggone car. It was actually a car that one of their people actually ordered. Like some guy that they normally have ordered cars through them, right? And then basically they changed the spec over to my spec. And then they was like, oh yeah, the $10,000 you gave us is like didn't go to the car, it went to the guy. Because they told me that when I wired them the 10 grand, that the 10 grand was going to go towards the actual cost of the car, you know, extra down payment towards the car. No, that they had me wire the 10 grand directly to the guy who ordered the car for them, right? And then when it basically I talked to him going like, what in the crap is going on here? Like, you know, Why am I wiring money to an actual individual that doesn't work for the dealership? And that's when I kind of found out that, hey, you know what? You're doing some shady stuff with the Demon 170 order. So I had to get my buddy law firm to basically go and send them a very threatening email. And basically almost a year later, I got my 10 grand back, and I used that 10 grand to go buy my current Demon 170. So these guys, like, the motherfuckers send me an email on my birthday. Oh, not an email, a text message on my birthday. Like, they can get lost. But yeah, man, I definitely like this hat. You definitely see me wear this hat plenty of times. Like, it's pretty cool. I'm about to take my little necklace off. Oh, they're just care instructions. That's pretty cool. They got everything all branded. Carpe Demon. Oh, racethedemon.com. So I guess that's the actual website for this merch. That's pretty cool. Oh yeah, then they got the little sticker on the bottom side of it. Can you zoom it? There we go. Kind of hard to see. There we go. Carpe Demon. I like that. Oh yeah. Fits like a glove. Thank you guys for my birthday wishes, bro. This was kind of like last minute, so I couldn't get it as done as I would like to have been done up. But we do have a nice little cake. Let's see. We got the Demon 170. Oh, let me see if I make sure I get over here. Got the Demon 170 right there at the bottom. Then of course we got the Demon 170 logo. Then we got the Z06 up there at the top. And then we got the actual Z06 logo. Hold on. So I couldn't get it done like I wanted to, because I wanted a cake to where it was like the actual Demon 170 was busting out of a cake, and then the Z06 was busting out of a cake the opposite direction. But I literally called and tried to get it done like Tuesday, Wednesday, and here it is Friday. So I was like, just make me a nice little circle cake. Put the two cars in there. Let's be done with it, right? So I think it came out pretty cool. So it's pretty cool little cake. That's it. A little Demon logo on there. And they came out pretty cool. So freaking I think I might try to do that next year. Next year I'm gonna try to have it planned out to where I have a more elaborate cake, or maybe do like 2 different cakes with the cars on there. But I think this came out pretty good. I did a little damage on the backside of it, but like the top part of the cake is strawberry flavored, and then the actual bottom part of the cake, this is cotton candy flavored. So I was trying to get very elaborate because I wanted to kind of like have like a the whole bottom cake was green for the green car, the top of the car was red for the red car, but it's cool. It's all right. It was done on short notice. Oh yeah, then my my Demon 170 is I was hoping to get it back today, but the dealership called me and they told me that they didn't have enough time to work on my car today to finish it up. So I probably got to pick my car up on Monday. So I was hoping to kind of do this outside, where I got the Z06 on one side, the Demon 170 on the other side, but they didn't roll to be out like that. So I want to show you guys this crap right here. I got a lot of running around to do today, so I gotta go meet my niece and nephew for them to take me out to dinner, and then I'll get back to working on some more Mopar stuff, because there's some very interesting stuff that came down the pike that I gotta make videos on. But I think it's pretty cool. Oh yeah, I gotta go pick my son up too. So I got a lot of stuff to do. So I'm not necessarily gonna stay here for too long. Like I said, I think it's a pretty cool cake. I'm gonna go get up out of here. I just want to show you guys this real quick because I gotta run, do a lot of stuff. So peace.